How to use the layers panel in Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so let's work with layers in Canva. There's two ways for you to get to the layers panel. The first thing is to click on any element or layer in the image, just right click, and you'll go down to layer here, and you'll see the options of what you can do with the layers, and then you would click on show layers. And then you're going to get your layers panel here. The other way for you to get to that is up here at position. Just click on that and you're going to get the exact same menu. So that's the two different ways for you to get to the layers panel. Now what you can see here is it defaults to the layers tab at the top here, but there's two tabs. If you click on arrange, this is where, let's just pick good things are up ahead here. And we can send it all the way to the back, which means it's now going to be at the very back of this image. We can move it forward. We can move it all the way to the front. We can even move it right. We'll undo that. And then if you click on the layers panel here, you can see how everything is arranged. This is every single layer we have in this image. And it's top to bottom, front to back. So the top is the most front layer and the bottom is the most back layer. And this little icon here is actually the background. So if I try to move this flower below the background, it actually won't let me. Canva won't let me do this. This is the background. Nothing can go behind the background. And so we'll go back up to the top here. The other thing you might have noticed is if I'm hovering over a certain layer here, the corresponding image will highlight in the image. So good things are up ahead. You can see that that's being highlighted. This beige bar here is being highlighted. This circle is being highlighted, so on and so forth. You guys get the picture. So just easy to track, especially if you have a really busy image. This could be quite helpful. And then if you click on overlapping, this is every single layer in this image that is overlapping with something else. So we actually have quite a few here. So sometimes when you have a lot of different images overlapping, it might be hard to actually grab the one that you're trying to move. For example, you can see here that I'm trying to grab this flower, but I can't because this layer here is in front of it. So I can either rearrange that here on the panel, or I can actually just right click, go to layer, and I can send this backwards and see if that helps. And now I can click on this flower. So that's how you work with layers here. It's actually quite straightforward. Give yourself a couple of minutes to just click around, play around, see how it works. But there's a lot of different ways, whether it's right clicking, whether it's working with this layers panel here to get familiar with the different elements that you have going on. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.